Bike Park. I've not been here for years. We just want to come and do a little bit of practice. It's absolutely freezing. The weather's horrendous. The wind is bad. So we're just having a little play. It's my first ride back after spanking myself. And I've got the reason. She's got pants on. She's got her pants on. You can have that for free. It's quite a good place to come, this, for you beginners. To get some practice in. There's blue, red, a lot of it's on this exposed hill, so in this weather it's not going to be great. We're going to be fighting the wind. We can head down further into the woods where there's a red trail, which we're going to session in a bit. So this is our first run. How are you feeling?
Alright.
Alright, let's do a blue, just as a gentle one. I'm not miles away, I'm just beating your camera around. You should have your seat down a bit. Up it, baby. That's it, yeah. Nice. Who is this from? I'm miles away. Get that seat down, isn't it? It's a beautiful day here in Leeds. Coming to the end of our day, aren't we? I'm watching. I'm watching out for branches. Oh, it is a hailstorm, I think.
Yeah, it's cold, yeah.
Master of riding up road climbs. Not master of walking up hill climbs in the mud.
Slippery.
You got the address? Got the address where you've been framed?
Slightly steeper than it looks.
Yeah. It's
really not
as steep as a doormat, that.
Whatever.
Roses. One.
Hang on, which one was Alice's?
No, you got to do the hand on the fingers.
Oh, that was her hand. What was she? Is it?
Sorry.
That's it. What's your pose?
One. Grumpy dad.
Grumpy face?
That's all the time.
Grumpy dad.
Tired face, that's me. Fed up.